Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Enable mobile data and turn on the Hotspot feature in your phone settings now. Confirm your cellular plan allows tethering and check for any data limits. Choose 4 GHz for better range or 5 GHz for faster local speeds if available. Name the hotspot clearly and set a WPA2 password with at least 8 characters for security. Note how many devices you will allow. Typical phones support up to 10 devices simultaneously. Keep the phone plugged into a charger if you plan prolonged usage for stability. On your Windows PC, open the taskbar Wi-Fi menu and locate your phone SSID in the list. Click the network, enter the hotspot password exactly as set on the phone, and select Connect. Wait for the system to obtain an IP address like 192.168.43.100 and confirm internet access in the notification area. If Wi-Fi does not work, enable USB tethering in phone settings and connect the cable to the PC for immediate sharing and charging. As an alternative, if the connection fails, restart both your phone and your PC to clear temporary issues. Toggle the phone hotspot off and on, and retry the Wi-Fi connection from your PC. Update PC Wi-Fi drivers and disable VPN or firewall briefly to determine whether they block tethering. Check the phone APN settings if mobile data is unavailable and ensure the carrier allows tethering. For safety, change the hotspot password periodically and turn off the hotspot when finished to save battery and data. Monitor usage and consider a 1 GB daily threshold to avoid overages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.